back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about maximizing your book's reach and also understanding the rules of KDP Select. What to do if your book is enrolled in KDP Select. Do you have the rights to publish it on other platforms? If so, what are the requirements and everything that you need to know about the KDP Select program? So if you are publishing on Amazon KDP, one of the most important decisions you will face is whether to enroll your ebook in KDP Select. So what is KDP Select? It is Amazon's exclusive program for digital content, and it offers exciting benefits, but it also does require you to grant Amazon exclusivity for a specific period. And in this video, we're going to explore together the details of the KDP Select exclusivity program, its benefits, its drawbacks, a couple of pros and cons, and also how to make the best decision that aligns with your own self-publishing goals. So let's talk about KDP Select. It's a program offered by Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing Platform and allows you, the author, to enroll your books in exchange for exclusive digital rights to sell your book on Amazon's platform for a specific period. This period is typically 90 days. So during this period, you as the author cannot sell your ebook digitally on other platforms like Apple Books, Barnes & Noble, or Google Play. So what are the benefits of this program? There are three main benefits. First of all, the Kindle Unlimited and Kindle Owners Lending Library. So enrolled ebooks are available to subscribers of Kindle Unlimited and Kindle Owners Lending Library. This allows the readers to borrow and read these ebooks for free. You as the author earn royalties based on the number of pages read, and you can find that in your platform or in your dashboard. The second benefit of the KDP Select program is promotional tools. The KDP Select offers you promotional tools, which includes the Kindle Countdown deals and the free book promotion. This allows you to discount your book and also offers your ebooks for free for a limited time, and this really helps to attract the readers, boost visibility, and also boost the reviews and the star rating systems, which will really help your book in the long run. And the third and final benefit is increased visibility. The enrolled ebooks will receive additional visibility through being included in special promotional emails, being included in recommended algorithms as well, and dedicated KDP Select storefronts, which would lead to increased sales and exposure, and who doesn't like that? Now let's have a look at things that you need to consider about this program. First of all, the exclusivity period. What is the time frame that we're talking about? You need to understand that enrolling in KDP Select, it requires granting Amazon exclusive rights for a minimum period of 90 days. Consider your ability, whether you're willing to forego sales on other platforms during this time. Are you able to pause, including your book in other platforms for a minimum of 90 days or not? Also, the second consideration is in regards to the audience reach. So I want you to go ahead and evaluate your target audience and their preferred reading platforms. If your audience primarily uses Kindle devices or the Kindle app, the benefits of KDP Select exclusivity may outweigh the loss of sales on other platforms. And thirdly is your long-term strategy. I want you to consider, just pause and consider your long-term publishing strategy and your own goals. While KDP Select offers immediate benefits, I want you to weigh the potential impact on building a diverse readership and also establishing a presence on multiple platforms over time. So how can you make the best decision? Well, there's three things that will help you make the best decision for your self-publishing business in regards to enrolling in the KDP Select program. First of all, assessing your goals. Clarify your publishing goals, whether it's maximizing royalties, is your goal reaching a broader audience, or is it building a readership base? Evaluate how KDP Select aligns with these goals. Does it help you? Does it limit you? Also, analyze your past performance, review your ebook sales, review your borrowing history to really understand the performance that your book, how it performs on different platforms. Consider whether enrolling in KDP Select has the potential and the power to enhance or limit your book's visibility and sales. And thirdly, experiment with promotions. If you're really uncertain, here's what you can do. Consider experimenting with KDP Select promotions on a shorter enrollment period in order to assess its impact on your book's performance and its readership. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I hope that you make the best decision for your own self-publishing journey. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.